Do you think birds find people funny? Let's listen to what the robin and the jay have to say. Bird talk, think sad. The robin thinks sad. The jay sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all. You know, they don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think said the robin. Think said the jay. Are not people funny to be that way? New words, beetles, sittings, wires, funny. Reading is fun. Name the two birds in the poem. What are the three things that people can't do? But do birds think of people? People, talk time. Imagine what two elephant would say to each other about people. Let them talk about but people look like, but they eat, how they walk. You can say, look at that man nose, how see how small it. Let's find two things which you can do and the birds can't do. Tell the class. Team time activity. Let's make finger puppets. Draw your favorite bird on a sheet of paper, cut and color it. Take a strip of cloth of paper, paste the picture of the bird you have drawn on it. Tie the two ends of the strip. Fix it on your finger. Your finger puppet is ready to talk. Let your puppet fly along your friend's puppet. Let's write. Listen to the sound of the bird. Make a list of these words. For example, chrimp, chrimp. Now write four sentences on birds using the following words: nest, water, chirp, fly, sky, wing. Write word then rim with the bird given below. The first one has been done for you. Grow, no, throw. Day, bay. Think, funny, eat, sing, say aloud. Think, this, tan, thin, three. This, that, though, tan, top, tank. Think, Nina and the baby sparrows. There was great joy in Nina house. Nina aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress. Mother said, Nina, salwar kameez. Then Nina shook her head. But about those lovely white shoes you saw last week, I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. But is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there is sparrow nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry all day long they cry. She asked, asking for food. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama Sparrow feed their babies? Oh, Nina cried, mother giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that no problem it all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we really? Yes, I will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside, so the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama Sparrow can come and go freely too. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrow will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Go. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room, and wasn't Nina thrilled? New words, market, bother, problem, dress, upset, remove, wedding, lovely, plump. Reading is fun. Why was there great joy in Nina house? Why was Nina worries? What did mother suggest? What did Nina find when she come back from the wedding? Talk time. How do baby sparrow eat? What new thing would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say I. Would you like to wear I would also like to hear. Picture story number the jump picture story correctly. Then write the story in proper order. Mother says, "We will leave the window open." Nina is happy again. Nina is sad. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrow alone. Mother asks why. Write the story here. Team time. Would you like to have bird visiting every day? Try making a bird bath and a feeding corner the bird. You can place a bowl of water in quiet corner of the school playground. Leave bread, crumbs, grains, etc. for your feather. Let's draw and color a bird. Activity. Let's make a bird think your needs. Word building. Write down suitable word describing each picture. Pick up the bird from the list given below. Beautiful, black, red, happy, tall, fat. A, a woman, beautiful, beautiful woman. A red rose. A happy boy. A blackboard. A tall man. Now describe these pictures in your language. Spoil, sparrow, school, skirt, scold, sport, speak, scout, speak, skip, skiing.